Upgrade complete. Maximum efficiency mode activate. Yeah!
Hello! You're perfect. Beblo! I tried to jump over the log, but the log moved. The log doesn't move. Emergency! Emergency! Something is shiny!
Is that a baby robot? Does it bite? Does it sing? Does it explode?
It helps. It cleans, organizes, fixes problems. Does it have a super mode?
Well, there is an upgrade button. Click!
Upgrade complete. Maximum efficiency mode activate. Yeah! Hey! I was saving that mud! Carrot consumption disorderly.
My emotional support carrots.
Tree structure chaotic. I did not ask for renovation! Renovation complete. Fun activities detected.
Yup.
Fun is inefficient.
No random spinning?
Correct.
This is awful.
I miss the mess.
I liked my chaotic tree. Robot, what is your purpose?
To make everything perfect.
And are we happy?
Joy levels, low.
Sometimes messy means fun. You don't fix friends, you help them. Recalculating. Error, too much fun detected. Fun mode activated.
Now this is an upgrade!
This is dramatically delightful. I approve this renovation.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more fun videos. Bye-bye.